Welcome, brothers. It's Cristopher Investor here. Are you ready to make money online starting from zero? I'm here to help you. This is the second episode of my new sequence of videos about how to make money online starting from zero. Together with ChatGPT, I will continue the content of the first episode and I will help you achieve success online. Stay with me until the end of this video and let's get started. Here we are on ChatGPT. Let's continue the content of the first episode of this new sequence of videos that I created about how to make money online starting from zero. Here I already made some questions to ChatGPT to help you, and the last one was about the products, the best products that I can sell online starting from zero. In this video I will be focusing mainly on the products and the action plan for you make your campaigns and then be able to make your first sales and make money online working with all the best options that we have online. Okay, so let's go. The first question that I'll make here to ChatGPT is to make a list of the best products to sell online and the advanced information about how to make campaigns and action plans to sell this product. Okay, so let's go. Here I made the first question to help you with the digital products to start make money online. The question that I made was this: make a list of the best digital products to sell online starting from zero. And I asked to make a list of organic campaigns and action plan to sell these products. I asked this way because I want to really help you who is starting from zero, starting from the beginning, so you can have a great guidance with me and ChatGPT here. From the 5 topics that ChatGPT has given the answer here, I choose 2, that is online course and ebooks. I will be explaining these 2 options of digital products right now. So let's get started. The first one here is online course. This is one of the best ways for you to work online and start making money from zero, because you're gonna have a lot of options to work. And for you that is beginning right now, I advise to choose to work with affiliate marketing. Make the choice of the best products that you can start to sell. You can go on the websites that I indicated on my last video. I will bring on the cards of this video here, the first episode of the sequence of videos that I'm making here for you, so you can check out on ClickBank or Digistore 24 and start to sell with the plan that ChatGPT has given here. So let's check this out. Here is the first topic of this plan to sell online course, that is create a landing page or website to showcase your online course and provide information about it. So what you can do here to work professionally with the product that you're gonna be working on affiliate marketing. You can choose an email marketing platform, and there you can create the landing page. I will make a list here of 2 options for you. One is aweber.com. This is a great platform, great website that you can work with email marketing and make your landing pages, and then you're gonna start to make your email list and make the first offers of your products. The second one that I indicate for you is getresponse.com. That is another very good website to make your organic campaigns to work with affiliate marketing. Okay, so with these 2 options you can apply all the following information here of this action plan that ChatGPT has provided here. Going ahead, we have the second topic here about your campaigns for online course is promote your online course on social media. You can make posts to help people, blogging, and of course the email marketing, as I advised you here with the 2 websites of email marketing. Okay, here we have another great topic to help you on your organic campaigns to make the sale of online courses on affiliate marketing is offer free content to your potential customers. So this way you can make a better connection with them, and they're gonna see that you really wanna help them. You're really gonna be gaining more trust from their sides, and when you make the offer and help them, they're gonna have more confidence to buy your product. Okay, going ahead here, this one thing that is very important and can really help you is participate in online communications and forums related to your niche to promote your course and get feedback. It's very important that you get answers about what you are promoting on forums. It can be also Facebook groups, it can be on Instagram. You can also, what I indicate for you is make a sequence of videos on YouTube about the product that you are making the campaigns. There will be a lot of options that you can make connection with your customers. Okay, so for the online courses, this is the topics that we have here. Let's go ahead to the next one, the ebooks. This is a great option for you that want to be successful working online and making money starting from zero. With ebooks, you can start making your first sales with completely free content, and then you're gonna be able to make the sales of the final product that you're gonna work. You can create a landing page on one of these 2 websites here, or on Aweber or on GetResponse. Then you're gonna give them a free ebook. This will be the opening to make your email list, and then you're gonna bring your offer where we're gonna ask for the purchase of the product that you are selling, that in this case is the ebook. Okay, and here with ChatGPT there are even more detailed information about how you can put in practice this strategy. Going ahead here, this is a great advice from these topics about ebooks strategies to sell online is to offer a free chapter or sample to your potential customers, and this will help them feel more confident to purchase your final ebook. Okay, and the last one here about the ebooks is participate in online forums, participate on the social media groups of Facebook, Instagram, connect with people that is related to your niche, and then you're gonna have even better results for the organic campaigns of your products. Okay, by here I think that this was a great presentation here about the online course campaigns that you can do and the ebook campaigns for organic ways that you is starting from zero, starting from the beginning, and start to make your first sales to make money online. This is it. The next video I will bring here more information for you about how to make money online starting from zero. So stay tuned, because I will do my best here to provide you high quality information. If you enjoyed the content on this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for the next videos of the Life Evolution project. See you on the next video.